Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Angelique Lizardi. Much of the country is seeing a higher number of flu cases right now, and Arizona is not any different. News 4 Tucson's Eric Fink joining us now. He spoke with doctors today who are now seeing a lot of sick patients every single day. So he's joining us live right now from the south side at the Pima County Health Department with more. So Eric, why is this all happening here within our community?
Well, Angelique, a leading doctor here at the Pima County Health Department says this is the worst flu season he's seen in about 2 decades. Cases are spiking as doctors across our community push the flu shot and mask wearing.
It may be that time of year, but this year the flu is spreading fast. Dr. Sudha Nagalingam with El Rio Health is very busy.
We are seeing more cases of influenza compared to last year. I believe it's like a 37% increase this last 2 weeks compared to last year at this time.
So flu season here, 2024 to 2025, is perhaps the worst in 20 years.
Dr. Andrew Saul is the assistant medical director at the Pima County Health Department. He says the numbers were especially high at the end of last month.
We saw that here in Pima County, this spiked starting in December. It spiked very, very high in January. Nearly 9% of all emergency room visits were for somebody with flu and coughing and respiratory symptoms. It's now dropped down just a little bit. It's running at about 5% here in Pima County.
According to the CDC, Arizona is one of more than 40 states with high or very high transmission of flu. Nagalingam worries a rise in vaccine hesitancy could be a contributing factor to the spread of flu and other viruses.
One other issue that's probably affecting all of this is vaccine hesitancy. I think it's really important for people to know that we should continue getting our annual flu vaccines. The RSV vaccine is available now for folks over 60 years of age or with other chronic medical conditions. And then COVID vaccine is around too.
And Dr. Andrew Saul, the assistant medical director here, says it really goes back to the basics of practicing good hygiene. Cover that cough. Wash your hands. He says it's like your mom and grandma told you when you were young. If you have that runny nose, wear a mask. And if you're sick, stay home. Again, cases are on the rise in Arizona and more than 40 states across the nation. We're live on the south side of the Pima County Health Department tonight. I'm Eric Fink, News 4, Tucson.
Thank you, Eric. Well, right now we have new details regarding